Hello, good evening. So I just thought I'd do a video on outlook for next week. We have a heavy news week, a few interest rate decisions, Fed first, expected to raise rates, BOE expected to raise rates, and BOJ expected to stick. So with that in mind, you've got to be careful trading those pairs. I will be letting Monday unfold and then having a look. If I do get into anything, I'll be very careful. So we'll take a look at the dollar. We have been bullish. This has been saying for quite some time. I will be looking to get involved with pullback. So while it's coming into previous highs, I'm not really interested. If we get pullbacks, then that's where I'll be looking to load up, or if we break and retest from the other side. So quite simple. How that looks with other instruments, we'll take a look at EURUSD. We did have a trade on that last week. So resistance, any pullback, we'll let Monday unfold. If we come down and take, say, this low, I'll not be interested in shorts. I'm only interested if we pull back from where we are at and then look to get involved. So quite simple. Just because if we zoom out, we are sort of stuck between two levels. We have support, then we have resistance. So we could range, and if I'm bearish on euro, then I'll look to be trading at the top of the range to take sales. We'll take a look at pound. Obviously probably won't be touching this till after the decision. If it comes out and they raise rates, then we get this rally into previous resistance, then I'll be looking at price action there to see if there's any strength in the move to go to the downside. But yeah, it'll be interesting. If anything, I'll probably not be looking to trade pound against the dollar if they are coming out to raise rates and BOJ are looking to stick. Then I think pound yen to the upside may be the trade. But we'll take a dollar yen first. I really like the look of this. Probably one of the favorite pairs going into next week. If we can get a pullback into this area, resistance. If we can just get a pullback, that should act as a springboard to take prices higher. Well, at least to take out that high. And that's one of my favorite instruments that I'll be looking to get involved with. Obviously, taking in mind that we do have interest rate decisions out of both these countries. But yeah, just mark out these highs. Once price gets there, we'll see if we can get involved. Obviously, not right in front of a news event, but you know, if the timing's good, then I'll have a look at that. I'm not really interested in any other dollar pairs. Obviously, if we look at Aussie yen, Aussie really outperforming the other instruments, commodity currency. So any pullback in Aussie yen, I think that we could come up and take this high. So I'll be looking to spring any pullback. If we can get down into this resistance or support, that would be great, and then look for more upside. But yeah, be looking for day trades on that to the upside. New Zealand yen probably as well. If we can get a pullback into resistance here, and then could turn to support, and then look for a break of structure to take this higher. I did mention pound yen. We'll go over that. Just marking out most recent support and resistance here on the daily. Just have that marked out. We'll see if we can get a daily close above that. Obviously, price action is quite bearish, but if we do get that interest rate decision coming out of Bank of England, and it is very bullish on the pound, then we could get a break above there, and then look for our long on opportunities. We'll have support here, break, retest, and yeah. So just a quick look. I didn't really want to break down too much. As you know, everything could change within a day. We'll let Monday unfold, and we'll take it from there, and we'll just trade what price tells us to, basically. So it's all well and good having these plans at the start of the week, and then it can change very quickly. So I'll have an update for you on Monday night. But just make you aware of all those news events coming out, and those instruments could be quite volatile. So yeah, still bullish the dollar, so I'll be looking at instruments to try and get involved with that. Dollar yen would be my favorite instrument going forward, and any trades I take I'll post into the Discord group. Any questions, you can reach out to me. I'll be happy enough to answer them for you.